Hey everybody, Oops English here. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 situations where we need to use the. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you 10 other situations where we have to use the. And in 2 videos later, we're gonna discuss when not to use the. So, stay with me. Number 1. We use the to talk about already known things. For example, I ordered a pizza and salad. The pizza was nice, but the salad was disgusting. This is the second time we're talking about pizza and salad, so the listener knows which pizza and which salad we're talking about. There was an accident here yesterday. A car hit a tree and the driver was killed. The listener knows that we're talking about the driver of the car in this accident, not just any other accident. Number 2. We use the to talk about specific things. For example, can you turn off the light, please? Which light? The light in this room. It's a specific light. I cleaned the car yesterday. Which car? My car, for sure. It's a specific car. Number 3. We use the when we want to make clear which person or thing we mean. The house at the end of the street. Which house? The house which is at the end of the street, not just any house. The people I met there were very friendly. Which people? The people I met there, not just any other people. Number 4. We use the when we follow this pattern, usually, not always. The plus noun plus of. For example, the growth of the steel industry. The growth of the noun of the growth of the steel industry. The arrival of our guests. The University of Cambridge. But pay attention, when the name of an establishment begins with a name, we don't use the. So we say Cambridge University without the. Number 5. We use the when there is only one of something. For example, the world, the sun, the environment, the ground, the atmosphere, the Mona Lisa, the Eiffel Tower, the present, the past, the future, the prime minister. There's only one prime minister in a country. With these nouns, we use the. You can find all kinds of information on the internet. Plastic bags are bad for the environment. What are your plans for the future? Number 6. With the expression the same, we use the. Your sweater is the same color as mine. Are these keys the same? She was born on the same day as me. Number 7. Before superlatives, we use the. What's the longest river in Europe? That was one of the best films I've ever seen. Number 8. When expressions like the first, the second, the third, the only are followed by a noun, we use the. I'll never forget the first time we met. The first time. You're the 5th person to ask me that question. The 5th person. I was the only woman there. The only woman. Number 9. Before a singular noun to refer to a type of institution, shop, system, etc. I generally take the bus to work. The bus is a type of transportation system which transports people from one place to another. It's a type of vehicle. We don't mean a specific bus. We mean a type of transportation system. We mean a type of vehicle. The giraffe is the tallest of all animals. We don't mean a specific giraffe. We mean a type of animal. Can you play the guitar? We don't mean a specific guitar. We mean a type of musical instrument. I heard it on the radio. The radio is a system, but an exception is what's on TV tonight. TV, we don't use the with TV when we refer to a system. Number 10. We use the plus an adjective to refer to a group of people. A school for the deaf. The deaf refers to a group of students who are deaf. We need to do more to help the homeless. The homeless refers to people who are homeless. With nationalities that end in SH, the English, CH, the French, EASE, the Chinese, and double S, the Swiss, refer to people with these nationalities. With other nationalities, we don't use the. Italians or Mexicans or Thais are very friendly. Okay, now it's time for a quiz. I'm gonna ask you 3 questions, and I want you to tell me the reason why we use the in these sentences. Stay with me. 1. After I leave college, I want to travel around the world. Why do we use the in this sentence? You have 10 seconds to think. The world, when there's only one of something, we use the. 2. He plays the violin. Why do we use the? You have 10 seconds to think. Well, it's a type of musical instrument. 3. She lives in a special home for the elderly. The plus an adjective to refer to a group of people, the elderly. Okay, these are the 10 uses of the. In the next video, I'm going to teach you 10 other uses of the, and 2 videos later, I'm going to teach you when not to use the. So be sure to watch the next 2 videos. Take care, see you in the next video.